Mr. Delacroix put $400 into a broken vending machine he found on Facebook Marketplace. 2 years later, he owned 60 of them, and he had never once stocked a bag of chips himself. Hi, Kane here. Today I'll tell you a story about how the rich spends their money. I was a theater grad that started with nothing. 20 years later, I own properties throughout Ontario. Watch my video to see how I struggled. This video is for entertainment purposes only. If you are going to invest, be sure to speak with a licensed professional. Let's start our story. At the start, Mr. Delacroix knew nothing about vending machines. He was a warehouse worker who wanted one thing, a business that didn't need him to show up, no boss to answer to, no shift schedule, no customers calling them directly. A vending machine seemed perfect. People wake up, inserted their cash or tapped their card, and the machine did the rest. So, Mr. Delacroix bought the broken machine for $400, fixed the coin mechanism himself using a $5 part and a YouTube tutorial, and placed it in the break room of a mechanic shop down the street. The shop owner didn't charge him rent. He just wanted his guys to stop leaving during the shift to buy snacks. The first month, Mr. Delacroix made $90 in profit. He was not impressed, but he noticed something. The machine sold out of one product every single week: cold energy drinks. Nothing else moved as fast. So, Mr. Delacroix stopped guessing what people wanted and started only restocking what actually sold. He cut his slow-moving items in half and doubled up on the fast ones. The next month, profit tripled to almost $300. Mr. Delacroix took that $300 and did not spend it on himself. He used it to buy a second used machine. Again, broken, again, cheap. He fixed it up the same way. He placed it in a laundromat lobby because people standing around waiting for a dryer cycle get bored, and bored people buy snacks. 6 months in, disaster hit. Machine number 1 got broken into. Someone pried the coin door open overnight, took every dollar inside, and cracked the plastic front in the process. Mr. Delacroix was out $200 in cash and needed a new door mechanism that cost him $150 to replace. He almost quit right there, but instead of walking away, he did the math. Even after breaking in, the machine had already paid for itself 3 times over. One bad month didn't erase the motto. So he bolted the machine onto the wall, added a simple lock upgrade, and moved on. That single decision, refusing to quit after the first real setback, is the only difference between Mr. Delacroix and the 100 other people who bought one machine, get robbed once, and sell the whole thing on Marketplace for a loss. By month 8, Mr. Delacroix had 5 machines running. He noticed the businesses that let him place machines for free were doing him a favor. So, he started offering them a small cut, usually 10% of the net profit, just to make sure they'd never ask him to leave. It cost him almost nothing, and it locked in every location for years. Then he made a move that changed everything. Instead of personally driving to restock every machine himself, once he crossed 12 machines, he paid a local guy $15 an hour to do the restocking route 2 days a week. Mr. Delacroix kept the one task no one else could do: finding new locations, negotiating placement, and handed off every task that didn't require him personally. That's when the business stopped being a side hustle and started being a machine that built itself. 12 machines became 25. 25 machines became 60, spread across gyms, mechanic shops, laundromats, and one hospital waiting room that alone outsold 10 other locations combined. Today, Mr. Delacroix's 60 machine generate close to $14,000 a month in net profit. He spends about 4 hours a week on the business, mostly checking sales numbers from the phone and answering texts from his restocker. He still works his regular job, not because he wants to, but because he hasn't decided yet whether to walk away from a paycheck for a business that never asks him to show up. Mr. Delacroix didn't get rich from vending machines. He got rich from refusing to sell after the first machine got robbed, from tracking what actually made money instead of guessing, and from paying someone $15 an hour to do that one job that was standing between him and the next 50 machines. The machine doesn't work because it sells chips. It works because Mr. Delacroix stopped being the guy stocking chips and became the guy who owns the machines. This is a fictional story, but it reflects how everyday entrepreneurs make their decisions. If you find this video inspiring, be sure to watch my next one to how to invest $50,000 when you're in your 30s. Thanks for watching.